Here's a simple word search book layout using one puzzle per page with the word list below each puzzle. This works well for basic books, but larger books can start feeling repetitive. Now compare that to a layout using 2 puzzles per page. The pages already feel more balanced and visually varied, even though the puzzles themselves haven't changed. By alternating the word list positions, the layout starts feeling much more natural and professionally composed. Small layout changes can make puzzle books feel far less repetitive.
Let's start with the original layout using 1 puzzle per page, with the word list below each puzzle. First, we'll increase the number of puzzle areas on each page so more puzzles can fit into the book layout. With 4 word search puzzles on a page, the layout becomes too crowded. Puzzle Book Studio automatically detects these issues and shows warnings when content no longer fits properly. Instead of forcing 4 puzzles onto the page, we can move the word list to the side and rebuild the book using 2 puzzles per page. The rebuilt layout now feels much more balanced and readable, while still reducing repetition throughout the puzzle book.
Mirror Next Puzzle automatically alternates the word list positions between puzzles, so the layouts feel less repetitive throughout the book. After rebuilding the book, the pages already feel more balanced and visually varied with very little extra setup. Mirror Next Page continues the alternating layout flow across the full page spreads, creating a more natural reading rhythm. With both mirror options enabled, the puzzle book now feels much more professionally composed while still using the same original puzzle set.
Use the flexible word list layout settings and with the puzzles you already created. Using the same puzzle set, Puzzle Book Studio lets you rebuild word search books into much more polished and visually varied layouts without manually redesigning every page.